Are you aware of the sneaky money habits that may silently sabotage your financial success? Well, stick around, because we will uncover 6 lesser-known yet impactful money habits that could keep you broke and poor in the next few minutes. But before we dive into that, let me share an inspiring story with you, a story of someone who discovered these hidden habits and turned their financial situation around. Meet Mark, an ordinary person like you and me, with dreams and aspirations. But life threw him a curveball and unexpected challenges that affected his financial well-being. Sound familiar? It's something we can all relate to. But what makes Mark's story so captivating is how he stumbled upon these hidden money habits and the surprising impact they had on his struggles. It was like a light bulb had gone off in Mark's head. He realized that the subtle money habits he had adopted were quietly keeping him trapped in a cycle of financial hardship. But here's the best part: Mark decided to break free from these habits and embarked on an inspiring journey toward financial independence. And you know what? He succeeded. Before we unveil these hidden habits, let's hear a word from the legendary Warren Buffett. He once said, "Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken." Wise words, right? So, let's break these chains and unlock a future of financial freedom together. The first one on the list is mindless subscriptions and auto-renewals. Let's spotlight one of the most underrated money drains: mindless subscriptions and auto-renewals. You may not even realize it, but these little charges can add up faster than you can say. Netflix binge. Have you ever wondered why you keep falling for these subscriptions? It's not your fault. Companies are experts at capitalizing on consumer behavior. They make it so easy to sign up and forget about it. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you toward financial freedom. Let's reassess those subscriptions, shall we? Together, we'll explore practical ways to trim the excess and cut those unnecessary expenses. It's time to look closely at your monthly bills and ask yourself, do I need all of these subscriptions? Habit 2. Procrastinating financial decision-making. Procrastination, the silent killer of financial growth. We've all been guilty of it at some point. But did you know that delaying critical financial decisions can impede your long-term success? You keep putting off investing, saving, or addressing your debt, thinking you'll get to it eventually. Well, let me tell you, eventually rarely comes knocking on your door. Here's the good news: it's always possible to turn things around. I'll provide actionable tips to conquer that procrastination monster and develop a proactive mindset toward money management. The first step is to identify the financial decisions you've been putting off and understand the consequences of delaying them. Whether it's investing in your retirement, setting up an emergency fund, or paying off high-interest debt, taking action now will significantly impact your financial future. One effective strategy is to break down these big financial decisions into smaller, manageable tasks. Create a timeline and set specific deadlines for each step. By breaking it down, you'll feel less overwhelmed and more motivated to take action. Additionally, find an accountability partner or join a supportive community where you can share your goals and progress. Someone holding you accountable will keep you on track and motivated to overcome procrastination. Remember, taking small, consistent steps is better than waiting for the perfect moment. Start today, even with a small contribution to your savings or making that phone call to negotiate lower interest rates on your credit cards. The key is to build momentum and keep pushing forward. Number 3 is neglecting asset diversification. Alright, it's time to talk about a habit that even the great Warren Buffett emphasizes: neglecting asset diversification. Traditional investments are just the tip of the iceberg when growing your wealth. Warren Buffett once said, "Diversification is protection against ignorance." It makes little sense if you know what you are doing. So, let's dive deeper into this concept and explore lesser-known asset classes that can open up new income streams. Have you ever considered peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, or even investing in collectibles? These unconventional avenues have the potential to skyrocket your financial growth. But wait, I'm not suggesting you go all in on these alternative investments without proper research and understanding. The key to successful asset diversification is to educate yourself and seek expert guidance. Take the time to learn about different investment options, assess their risks and potential returns, and build a portfolio that suits your goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying your assets helps protect you from market volatility and provides growth opportunities. By exploring beyond the traditional options, you can discover hidden gems that may significantly impact your financial well-being. Overlooking hidden fees and fine print is the fourth habit on the list. Brace yourselves, folks, because we're about to shed light on the financial vampires lurking in the shadows, hidden fees and fine print. They may seem insignificant initially, but let me tell you, they can drain your hard-earned money faster than you can say, beware. Have you ever signed a contract without carefully scrutinizing it or compared service providers to find the best deal? Well, my friend, you might have fallen victim to those sneaky hidden fees. When it comes to contracts and agreements, make it a habit to read the fine print thoroughly. Pay attention to any hidden fees, cancellation charges, or auto-renewal clauses. It's also crucial to compare different service providers and negotiate prices when possible. You'll be surprised how much money you can save by asking for a better deal. Additionally, take advantage of technology and online tools that help you track your expenses and detect any unusual charges. Empower yourself with knowledge about standard fees in various industries. Understanding how these fees work will enable you to make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary expenses. Remember, every dollar saved from hidden fees is a dollar that can be redirected toward your financial goals. So, be vigilant, ask questions, and don't be afraid to challenge those fees that don't seem fair or justified. Habit 5. Neglecting personal relationships. Let's discuss a habit that can profoundly impact your financial success: neglecting personal relationships. Your connections with friends, family, and even your partner significantly affect your economic well-being. Have you ever caught up in the keeping up with the Joneses mentality or faced peer pressure to spend beyond your means? It's a common challenge, but it can be something other than your financial journey. In this section, I'll share strategies for fostering healthy financial discussions with your loved ones. Communication is key. Start by openly discussing your financial goals and aspirations with your partner or family. Together, you can set priorities, create a budget, and support each other's economic growth. Setting boundaries and learning to say no when pressured to overspend is also essential. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who understand and respect your financial goals. By building this circle of like-minded individuals, you'll find encouragement, motivation, and valuable advice along your financial journey. Remember, your relationships can be an asset or a liability to your financial success. Choose wisely and surround yourself with people who share your values and support your economic well-being. And the last one is underutilizing technology for financial management. Technology, our trusty ally in pursuing a more organized and financially secure life. Are you ready to harness its power? Because it's time to explore how to leverage technology for optimal financial management. Technology has revolutionized how we manage our money, from expense tracking to automating savings and optimizing investments. I'll introduce you to innovative apps, platforms, and tools that can be game changers in your financial journey. Say goodbye to piles of receipts and confusing spreadsheets. With technology, you can budget like a pro, monitor your financial goals effortlessly, and stay organized. Imagine having a digital assistant that helps you track your expenses, reminds you of upcoming bills, and suggests ways to save money. Embrace the digital age and take advantage of the tools available to you. Whether using budgeting apps like GoodBudget and EveryDollar, investment platforms like eToro and Acorns, or robo-advisors such as Betterment, technology can simplify your financial life and help you make smarter decisions. I encourage you to take a moment to self-reflect. Have any of these habits been silently sabotaging your financial success? It's time to take action and make a change. Remember to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any additional tips you have for overcoming these hidden money habits. And hey, before you go, make sure you check out the end screen video. It's packed with even more valuable insights and strategies to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, my friend, your financial future is in your hands. By breaking free from these hidden habits and adopting new, empowering ones, you can rewrite your economic story and unlock a world of possibilities. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay motivated, stay focused, and together, let's build a brighter, healthier future. Until next time.